Welcome back into Cruisers. Today, I'm taking you along as I arrive at one of the most famous cruise ports in the world, Nassau, Bahamas. And let me tell you, this arrival was nothing short of spectacular. Sailing into Nassau, it's always a breathtaking experience, but this time I was sitting in the Sky Lounge, watching the port arrival unfold from the comfort of this amazing venue. It was such a cozy, scenic spot on the ship, with floor-to-ceiling windows that offered panoramic views. From there, I got to see the entire approach to Nassau Port. And let me tell you, this was pure magic. Watching the ship glide through those turquoise waters was a spectacular event. It really set the stage for an unforgettable morning. As we got closer to the dock, I could see other ships already lined up in port. Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas was there. I have already been twice on it, so I could recognize it from a very far distance. They also had a Holland American ship. I wasn't quite sure which one it was. And Carnival that morning had a really strong presence. He had Sunrise and Carnival Conquest docked side by side. There was an event going on and I was able to have full visibility. So I got to watch the final moments of our arrival from the Sky Lounge, while the elite members of Celebrity Cruise Lines got to do it from the helipad. This incredible spot is reserved for elite members on celebrity cruises, and let me tell you, it is one of the best perks out there. Standing at the very front of the ship, they were feeling the wind through their face, drinking champagne, and seeing the entire port from this open-air perspective. It was absolutely breathtaking. My boyfriend was there, and I was really excited to see him on the event. It was a moment that makes you feel like you're on top of the world, literally. Seeing all these massive cruise ships in one place just added excitement of the arrival. One of my favorite parts was to watch the crew, how they expertly maneuver the ship into the port. Seeing the ropes secured, the gangways getting prepared, and the excitement building along passengers as they got ready to head ashore. Nassau's cruise ports is always full of life, with music, locals waving, and the energy of people ready to explore. This arrival was one for the books, and getting to experience it from a unique spot like the helipad, I'm sure for the elite members, was very memorable. If you ever get a chance to watch the port arrival from the Sky Lounge, or even better, from the helipad, I highly recommend it. It's an entirely different level of cruising magic. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.